Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to use my We Are Memory Keepers candy box punch board, and that's this one right here. And I wanted to make some like candy boxes. I know there's a die. I know there's a lot of dies for candy boxes. I don't have one, but I do have this. And so I wanted to go ahead and just make some quick candy boxes. So it says trim paper width to 7 inches, trim paper length between 4 and 12 inches. Okay, so I'm gonna cut some paper here. So it's 7, so 4, yeah, so anyways, okay. So I have this scrap piece of paper here, so I'm gonna do, let's see how long this is, so about 4 inches. Let's see if this works. 4 inches, and then this has to be 7 inches. I've done these. Here is my 7x4, and then it says, and I'm just following directions here, align left edge to start line. So left edge to start line. Punch. So start line and then punch. And then it says shift left to diamond, punch. Shift left to diamond, punch. Shift left to diamond and punch and score. Okay, shift left to diamond, punch, and score. Okay. And then I think from then on, you keep doing that 3 times. So you fold it and then you glue it on that one. So let's put some glue here. So, where is it? Okay. Okay, so let's put some glue on this. So here's the glue, and I just applied some on my, and then, I don't know, is that right? I always forget, you guys, so I am sorry. Add scallop with reverse punch, fold glue, and tie ends. Okay. So here's my, let's do it with this other one. So you're supposed to be able to just tie the ends. I just don't know how I was supposed to do 4 or 3. I kind of feel like maybe I was supposed to do 3. Let's see. That's interesting. Maybe because it's so little that it kind of like goes in. I don't know. Let's try to put something in there. So that is just the perfect size. Oh, okay. So I guess it does need something in there in order for, but look how cute. Okay, so confession, I have never made them this little. I always make them make the bigger ones, but I kind of like how that looks. Because let me show you. So this would be a cute way to actually package up some like washi. Oh, and apparently that ribbon size is too small. Look at this. Look how cute that is. And I just need like ties around it. So let me do some twine here. Since my ribbon is too small. I don't know about you, but I hate wasting ribbon. Okay. And then you just fold this one, and look how cute. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Okay, let's see if I put some washi in here. And, okay, well, I'm just gonna try one here. Let's see. It totally works. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest thing ever. Okay, well, now that I know, I'm gonna do these candies. And really what I wanted to do these for is to do some treats for some people. And just put it in there. So that was really the reason why I wanted to do these. So let me just tie this one around. Okay, I am in love with how little and how cute these look. Like I said, I have never done them this small. I always make the bigger ones, so I'll show you what I mean. So, typically what I have done in the past is I have done like the bigger size ones. So, I thought it would be cute to kind of decorate it. So I want to use some of the stickers that I have been using for this collection, which is like that little sticker book I have. So it's this one. Oops, sorry. So it's this little sticker book. And let me see if there's like a little treat or something, you know. There is a little trick or treat. Maybe I'll do this like happy hunting. And maybe add these little ghosties. Maybe add 2. I don't know, I feel like those are too big. I think I'm gonna go for it, you guys. Happy hunting. And then for this one, I'm just going to cut it a little bit because they're too long. And don't worry, I'll fill it up. For this one, I think I'm just going to keep it simple. And I am going to put one of these stickers that I have here. Maybe I'll do like the trick or treat one. No, let me do a black one because it's, you can see too much. I do kind of feel like it needs something else. Maybe I'll use one of these. And these are just the corners from this box, just to let you know. Nothing special here. Just to kind of give it some dimension. Well, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Yeah, something quick and easy for today. Okay, hasta mañana. Bye.